You know, everyone wishes they had a superpower. Make their lives a little easier. Make themselves a little money. But they're wrong. Because I have power and I don't want it. Ah, crap, a bird pooped on my head. Now you must be wondering how I discovered these powers. Well, it's a long story. So while I lay down there with a mild concussion, I thought I must be the most unlucky guy in the world. 3 years later, and I'm still thinking that. It affects me every day of my life. Hot and cold's an issue. Every drink is a gamble.
Yeah, so anyway, with this kind of infrastructure, I believe that the plans for...
Yeah, that's my friend Bruce. He's a real nice guy. He also gets a lot of colds, but I'm sure that has absolutely no relation to me whatsoever. Don't get me wrong though, the power has a few advantages.
Hello, Tom.
You know, I've always wondered with the superpower, what the supervillain would be like. Does he have the, like, Ebola virus or something? I don't know. Turns out, he's much worse.
Shh. Copyright infringement.
I took my near-death experience as an epiphany, so I decided to go public with my power, which led to an interesting opportunity.
Hi, Mr. Sneeze. We'd like you to be a representative of Softy Tissues. Would you be interested?
So how much do I get paid?
You want money? There's fame, there's glory. What more could you ask for? What do you say?
Are you tired of sneezing into your hand? Well, a hero is coming to save you.
That's Softy Tissue. Some sneeze, eh? Oh, hey kids! When you've got a mean supervillain of a cold, you want something that's soft, but deceptively strong. That's why I recommend these Softy Tissues. They are super soft, but super strong, like me. That was a good day of shooting, guys. It was real good. We got a good bunch of productivity there. I mean, the advert went fantastic. Well, see you there. At least I'm getting paid. What are you doing, you dignity? Oh yeah, I just sold it for a bunch of tissue commercials. You know, fight supervillains. No, I get to promote tissue. Sweet relief. Well, the Beatles said money can't buy you love, and they were certainly right about that. I really need to find a way to get out of my contract.
Sneeze on me. Sneeze on me.
What?
Sneeze on me.